Plug-in electric vehicles are on the rise. Every other vehicle is turning electric day by day. So what about the motorcycles? These rechargeable bikes are the next big thing that holds the potential to reduce air pollution. There are a lot of motorcycles in the market, and to help you choose the perfect motorcycle for you, we have listed the top 5 best electric motorcycles that are going to hit the market in 2021. At 5th position is Hero Electric AE47. Hero Electric plans to launch its first electric motorcycle, the AE47. It sports a round LED headlamp accompanied by a body-colored bezel and a tiny visor on top. The muscular fuel tank-like panel is joined by neatly designed plastic panels underneath, which also form a covering for the battery package. Powering this motorcycle is a 4 kW hub motor, which is claimed to deliver a top speed of 85 km per hour. A removable 3.5 kWh lithium-ion battery can deliver a range of 160 km in power mode. The charging time is stated to be 4 hours. Looking at the premium package that the Hero Electric AE47 is, it is priced between Rs 1.3 to 1.5 lakhs. Expected market availability is in early 2021. At 4th position is Evolet Hawk. The Hawk has an attractive and sporty design, and looks sharp in the flesh with its sculpted front fairing and projector headlamp. It has clip-on handlebars and a full digital instrument console, along with telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear suspension. The Evolet Hawk claims a top speed of 120 km per hour, with the claimed range of 100 km on a single charge. Battery charging time is stated to be from 3 to 4 hours. Going by the attractive prices of the first electric scooters from Evolet, the Hawk will likely be priced at Rs 1.5 lakhs. Expected market availability is in late 2021. At 3rd position is SVM Prana. Coimbatore-based electric vehicle startup Shri Veru Motors, SVM, has launched its high-speed electric motorcycle Prana in India. The startup focused on design and performance, which makes Prana look stunning in design and amazing in terms of performance, and the bike offers low center of gravity. The electric bike will be offered in 3 variants: Class, Grand and Elite. It can clock a top speed of 123 km per hour, which puts it against the 150cc bikes powered by conventional fossil fuels. The higher spec Elite derivative is offered with the more powerful battery, which claims a range of 225 km in a single charge. Battery charging time is stated to be 4 hours. The Elite trim of the bike has been priced at Rs 2.75 lakhs. Deliveries of the electric bike are expected to commence from March 2021 onwards. At 2nd position is Ultraviolette F77. The Ultraviolette F77 is India's first performance-oriented electric motorcycle. The F77 will be available in 3 variants: Airstrike, Shadow and Laser. It features a steel trellis frame with an inverted cartridge-type front fork, along with gas-charged preload adjustable rear shock. It gets a full-color TFT screen with Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a dedicated mobile app with over-the-air updates, remote diagnostics, bike locator and ride analysis features. It can clock a top speed of 147 km per hour. The electric power comes from 3 slim and modular lithium-ion battery packs, which offer a claimed range of 150 km on a full charge. The battery packs can be charged fully from a standard charger in 5 hours, with a full charge from the fast charger possible in just 90 minutes. It is priced at Rs 3 lakhs. The expected market availability is in mid-2021. At number 1 position is Emflux One. Emflux Motors is India's first electric superbike company, and its maiden product is the Emflux One, a fully faired electric performance motorcycle. It is the beauty redefined with exclusive frame single-side swing arm, giving unmatched strength to the rear axle. It is capable of achieving a top speed of 200 km per hour. The bike comes with a claimed range of 200 kilometers, and the battery can be recharged to up to 80% in just over half an hour using fast charging technology. It can take up to 3.5 hours to get completely charged. The price of Emflux One is expected to be Rs 5.5 lakhs. The expected market entry is in mid-2021.